Let me go show you the room. It's pretty good, guys. Pretty good. Not bad. 350 pesos. It's a small room, but it got AC, TV, got a little refrigerator, and a bed. Hey, bathroom is clean. Everything looks clean. Can't complain. Let me go show you inside. Let's go. Lots of traffic around here. I am walking back towards my hotel. Back here you can see the fort. All along here is the fort. Really nice. This is Campeche, in the state of Campeche, Mexico. Welcome to Mexico. Doing a little stroll along the streets, just so you can see how busy it gets. It's a very old city. It was built in the 1500s. The Spanish came, and this was actually all Mayan territory, and the Spanish pretty much took it over and built their city on Mayan property. And they built that huge fort that you see here all around the city, and that's what protected from pirates, because pirates used to thrive in this area. It was really bad, and the pirates would come into the city to rob and steal and pillage the women and get slaves. It was a real bad problem they had. So what the Spaniards did, they just built that great big wall around the city and kept the pirates out. That's the way to do it. Let me try to get across the street here. They're actually pretty good here, I've noticed. They will actually stop and give way, which is nice. See, guy waved me over. They're very, very nice here that way. I like it here. That fort over there, that's really impressive. The work that must have gone into building that thing. How long, I wonder how long it took to build that. Must have been crazy hard work. Look at the gas station here. And look at the building that the gas station put up where they have the offices. They made that so it matches the fort. Beautiful building. All rock. It's a modern building. So I'm heading back on our little street here, back to our hotel. All these houses you see here are a few hundred years old. You can see the old ones. You can see which is new. Like this here, it's a new building. But the ones over on this side, they are all old. Very old. This is Campeche. And this is Mexico. This is the real deal, guys. Look at those old windows. And here, as you notice, this part of the world, everybody has burglar bars on the windows. That's just the way of life here. Look at this building here. Look at this here. That must be 400 years old. Was at one time, you could see an impressive, beautiful building. It's all run down now. You can rent a room here, but very cheap. Along here, you got a couple more modern buildings. I guess some of the old ones, over the years, they fall down. And people put up a modern building like this, right next to an old one like that. Look, here they're selling tamales. This is how they sell tamales around here. What I like about these one-way streets here in Mexico, once you go on against the traffic, you can pretty much walk in the middle of the street. Have cars coming, well, move to the side. So it's pretty good. Look, they're selling tamales right there. And this, guys, is our hotel, Hotel San Diego Tu Casa. All right, guys, this is the hotel. It's a little hallway here with the little rooms inside. And the rooms are tiny, 350 pesos a night. Very, very small rooms. Has a little shelf there, little double bed. What I do like about it, did have a refrigerator where I could keep cold drinks in. That was really, really good. What I didn't like about it, it has a window to the hallway. So if you have your window open, people can look in and see what's happening. Small TV, worked very good. Little desk, there's like no room for anything in this room. And the bathroom is a decent size. A shower with a decent shower head. Almost no hot water, all the cold water you want. A toilet with a seat, a toilet paper holder, a little sink, a little mirror. Nothing special, but it did the trick. So this is our hotel here in Campeche, 350 pesos a night. It did the trick. Oh, internet was very good.
Excellent.
Excellent internet. And the TV was excellent also. What I didn't like about it, it has an air conditioner, but the room is so cold, so small, it gets cold quick. And when you turn off the light, the fan turns off. So either if it's too cold, you want to sleep with fan, you have to sleep with the light on, or turn the air conditioner on and off constantly. 350 a night. Yeah, it's like 150 peso a night room. Anyway, we did it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.